Hi Year 3, welcome to your English lesson. I hope you've really enjoyed watching the video of the shirt machine. I think it's a really exciting invention. I know that if I had a shirt machine, all of the fantastic things that I could invent to make life much easier and much nicer. But today we are looking at commas in a list. I hope you've watched the YouTube video, which will give you an idea of what we're doing, and you have found the list with a few sentence starters just to help you. Okay, you don't have to use those ones. You are more than welcome to write your own. In fact, I'd prefer you to write your own because then they're your ideas rather than mine. But we're just going to have a look again just to give you a little bit of extra help in case you need help adding commas to a list. So here I have the ingredients or the equipment that I would need to build a homemade tent. So there I've got some rope there, I've got some pegs, I've got two bed sheets, and I've got a nice warm blanket to put on the floor. So I'm going to write a sentence listing all of the objects that I need to build my tent. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to think of a sentence starter. So I'm going to write, I need. Okay, so let me just get a text box. There we go. We're getting really good at text box now. There we are. And I'm thinking of my sentence as I'm planning this. So I, capital I, because it's the beginning of a sentence and it's the word I need. First thing that I needed was rope. Okay, that object is now listed. So I don't need to write anything else along with that object. So I'm going to put a comma. My next object is pegs. I need another comma there because I finished with that object. So I've listed rope, comma, pegs, comma, bed sheets, finished with that object. So I need another comma. Or do I? If I put a comma in there and then the last object, which is a blanket, does that look right? Can you think about what I've done there that's wrong? I need rope, pegs, bed sheets, blanket. Think about how you would say it. I need rope, pegs, bed sheets, and a blanket. So between my last two objects, I don't need a comma. Remove the comma. I do need a conjunction and then to make it make sense, I need there. So I need rope, comma, pegs, comma, bed sheets, and a blanket. What am I missing there, guys? Yeah, my full stop. I need a full stop there. So let's have another look at one more. Here we've got the ingredients for a sandwich. Okay, very tasty cheese and salad sandwich. So have a think about what you're going to do for the start of your sentence. I need a space there, don't I? I can use, look at my first object. My first object is bread. Then I'm going to need a comma. My second object, cucumber, comma, sausage. Oh, I've been spelling that wrong. Sausage, comma, tomato. Still not on my last object, am I? So one more comma. Cheese. Now I've only got one object left. So this is where I'm going to put and salad. Full stop. So we've got commas between all of our items apart from the last two where we're using a conjunction. Okay, let's have a look at the next screen. So this is the list of the parts that the girl's uncle uses to make the shirt machine. We've got pipes, taps, valves, funnels, transistors, wires, switches, pistons, gauges, cogs, wheels, and levers. And then underneath, I've given you a couple of sentence starters. So let's have a look at the first 4 objects. Got pipes, taps, valves, and funnels. Okay, we're going to write those up in a list. I want you to pause the video and have a go writing your list with the sentence starter. The machine had. And then those 4 items. The machine had pipes, taps, valves, funnels. Remember to put "and" in between the last 2 objects. Pause the video now, write your sentence, go. Okay, I'm hoping that you have had a go at that. So let's have a look together now. Okay, just put the text box in again and change the font to a nice one. There we are. The, need a capital T. Machine had pipes. Made sure I've not got a capital P there, even though in the list it does start with a capital, doesn't it? Pipes, comma, taps, comma, valves, and funnels. Stop. Does that sentence look like yours? The machine had pipes, comma, taps, comma, valves, and funnels. Okay, I hope that helps. I want you to write the rest of the parts. You can use up to 5 objects in each sentence, but I want no more than 5, please. Okay, so there's different sentence starters there to help you. Okay, good luck, and I look forward to seeing your work, Year 3. Goodbye.